Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change display name on Peachat. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Simply open up Peachat application. Tap on the icon on the top left corner. Click on Edit Your Profile. Now under this basic info section, tap on Name. Enter your new name. Tap on Done. And that is how you can easily change display name on Peachat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss our upcoming videos.